Hello everyone, I am Devranjani from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna talk about how to turn on dark mode for Snapchat. Actually, this feature is not released in India and is only available in countries like USA. But don't worry, cause I will show you the trick to enable dark mode in Snapchat. First of all, go to settings and tap on display and brightness. Then click on dark mode settings and click on dark mode for third party apps and enable Snapchat. And that's it. Now you can enjoy Snapchat in dark mode. If you want to know more details, please check out our Gossipfunda blog. The link to the blog is given in the description box below. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe.